Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script, web scraping script, which will extract all the HTML tables from a particular website. You plug the URL which contain multiple tables, and then it will extract all those tables and save as an Excel file. So let me just plug this URL inside this Python script here. So as you can see, it's a population kind of a website which contains multiple tables. So what it will do, it will extract all the necessary data. Once I execute this Python script, you will see in the terminal, it will extract all the necessary tables and save it inside this Excel file. So it created this folder. It has 3 tables right here. If I open this, you will see it has extracted this tabular data and stored this inside this Excel file. This is the first Excel file. This is actually the second one. You can see that this is the third one. So it automatically extracted all the HTML tables right here from this web page. So you just plug the URL and then it automatically will do the job for you. And you can do this with any website. Let's suppose I copy this URL. You will see it has a lot of tabular data which is present. So again you plug the URL and then again it will save the data inside an Excel file. So let me run this. So you will see it will again extract all these 5 tables as an Excel file. It's a comparison table here. You will see of different programming languages. So again it extracted all the necessary data and saved it inside an Excel file. So it's a very good Python script which will save you a lot of time, because data extraction is a very popular skill. So I've given this script in the description of the video. You can go to my website and just copy the overall script. And for this you just need to have some modules installed. So first of all you need to have this Pandas library, which is a very popular module for data extraction. So simply install this module, pip install pandas for data analysis, and I think that's all that you need to do. Simply create an app.py file and then you just need to import the necessary packages url lib request, and then from this HTML table parser library you just need to import this HTML table parser. So one other library you will need here, which is HTML table HTML underscore table underscore parser package. So this actually is doing the heavy lifting. It is extracting all the HTML tables right here. So the command is simple. You simply install this module, and after installing this simply import this like this, and then we also import the pandas library as PD, and then we also import the operating system module. So after this we actually define a function which will simply get the contents from the URL. You pass the URL as an argument, and then it will actually open this URL first of all using URL lib module. It will use this request class, and it takes the URL as argument. It will open this URL lib dot request dot URL open. So it will use this function to open this URL, and then it will return everything which has it read. So f dot read. So it returns everything what it reads from this URL, and then we simply call this function. So we create a output folder which will scraped tables dot underscore excel. It will create this folder for you. So it will make a directory. We are using this function of operating system. After creating the folder, now we just need to specify which URL that you want to scrape. So I will simply provide this URL. After providing the URL, we simply call this function that we specify URL underscore get contents, and simply pass this URL. And then we also decode this decode this inside UTF-8. So after we get this HTML, now we can actually parse this HTML. So as you can see, it will return this HTML to us. So if I execute this application now here, it will go to this URL and then it will extract all this HTML that you are seeing right here. Now we just need to extract the necessary data from this HTML. For this, you will initialize this module, which is HTML table parser. So in the next step, we will simply initialize this HTML table parser, and then p dot we will feed this HTML to this library. After that, we save each table as an Excel file. For we'll simply run a simple for loop like this. So enumerate dot contains this a series of tables. We will loop through each table and just export the data frame by using the Pandas library. And then we will create the Excel file name by using operating system path join, and we will basically create this file inside this output directory and name it as dynamically like this. At the next step, we simply save this to an Excel file by calling this function toExcel of Pandas, and we simply specify this Excel file name and index to false. And then we simply print out that your table has been saved. So this completes the script. That's all that is needed right here. If I again delete this, again execute this, first of all, it will go to the website and then scrape all those 3 tables and save it as a site an Excel file. So you will see all your tables have been successfully extracted from an HTML file. Here you will see that you can take any URL, for example, from the internet, just plug this to the script and then it will instantly scrape all the HTML tables and save it as an Excel file. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well for more videos like this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.